Welcome to She Lives Rich, where elegance becomes effortless, confidence is cultivated, and wealth begins with how you carry yourself. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at a woman, maybe in a coffee shop, maybe just walking by, and thought, she looks expensive? But here's the thing. She wasn't dripping in diamonds. She didn't flash a logo. In fact, everything about her was quiet, controlled, understated, and that's exactly what made her unforgettable. The truth is, most women try to look rich by adding more. More color, more brand names, more makeup, more trend. But rich women? They do the opposite. They subtract. They simplify. They follow a set of style rules so subtle, most people never even notice them. But they work every time. And today, you're going to learn those rules. This isn't a list of fashion do's and don'ts from a magazine. These are the real-world style codes that elegant, wealthy women follow religiously. Rules that you can start using today to elevate how you look, how you feel, and how the world responds to you. Let's begin. Rule number 1. Don't wear loud logos. They date you. When most women try to look expensive, the first instinct is to reach for something with a name brand. Big lettering on the chest. Designer initials all over a handbag. But here's what high-value women understand. True wealth whispers. It doesn't need to announce itself. Loud logos are trend-based. They fade. They shift from exclusive to everywhere. And suddenly, what you bought to impress others just makes you look like you're trying too hard. The elegant alternative? Wear clean lines. Choose neutral tones. Opt for structured bags and coats without branding at all. Let the cut, the fabric, and the fit do the talking. Because nothing looks more expensive than clothing that doesn't beg for attention, but still commands it. Rule number 2. Don't confuse tight with tailored. Many women think tight equals flattering, but rich women know the truth. Tight can look cheap. Tailored looks powerful. Their clothes skim the body, not cling to it. They choose blazers that shape the waist, high-rise trousers that elongate the legs, dresses that follow curves without pulling. Their clothes move with them, not against them. Tailoring doesn't always require a tailor. Sometimes it just means being selective, choosing fit over trend, proportions over popularity. Even a $10 item can look like $100 if it fits like it was made for you. Rule number 3. Don't ignore fabric. Cheap materials betray you before anyone sees the label. That shiny synthetic blend? That ultra-stretchy dress? They might feel trendy, but they look disposable. Rich women don't necessarily buy expensive clothing. They buy fabrics that feel expensive. Think cotton poplin, wool, linen blends, mock sateen, real silk, even textured knits in neutral colors. These materials photograph better, move better, age better. A white linen blouse and well-pressed wool pants will always feel richer than any neon body-hugging polyester blend. Because fabric isn't just function, it's language, and it speaks before you do. Rule number 4. Don't skip tailoring. This one is non-negotiable. A tailored piece, even if it's from the most affordable store, gives you presence. It tells the world, this was chosen, not thrown together. Rich women tailor everything. Their pants hit right at the ankle. Their sleeves stop at the perfect place. Their clothes never bunch, tug, or drown them. They walk in clothing that looks like it was made for them, because in a way it was. You don't need a full wardrobe redo. Just start with one piece. Get a jacket taken in. Hem your trousers. Bring shape to a dress you already love. The transformation is instant, and it tells a silent story of care, intention, and quiet luxury. Rule number 5. Don't over-accessorize. We've all seen it. Oversized earrings, stacked bracelets, a chunky belt, a sparkly bag, and bright lipstick, all at once. It's too much. And too much looks messy. Never expensive. Rich women don't use accessories to decorate themselves. They use them to highlight their identity. One beautiful watch, one silk scarf, one minimal necklace. That's all it takes. The restraint is the power. If you feel like your outfit needs 5 things to feel complete, it probably needs to be rethought. Because style isn't about adding. It's about knowing what to leave out. Rule number 6. Don't chase trends. Trends are fast, and they fade just as fast. What's hot this season is clearance rack by next year. Rich women don't follow every trend because they already know their style. They build wardrobes with lasting power. Blazers that never go out of style. Neutral knits that look good every year. Trench coats. Loafers. Wide-leg trousers. A classic black dress. If they do try a trend, they do it in a small, controlled way. A seasonal color. A new silhouette. But the foundation never changes. Because while trends make you look current, timelessness makes you look rich. Rule number 7. Don't neglect grooming. You could be wearing the most beautiful outfit, but if your nails are chipped, your hair is greasy, or your makeup is harsh, it throws everything off. Grooming is elegance in its most intimate form, and rich women prioritize it. Their hair is brushed. Their skin glows. Their nails are clean, short, usually in nude or classic red. Their makeup is soft, barely their foundation, a touch of mascara, a natural lip. They don't try to look different. They try to look cared for, because luxury starts at the surface and radiates from within. Rule number 8. Don't ignore posture and movement. The way you carry yourself says more than anything you wear. Rich women walk with intention. They're never rushed. They take their time. They sit upright. They make eye contact. Their shoulders are back. Their pace is calm. You don't have to be loud to be noticed. You have to be present. And presence is built in your body first. Try it. Next time you walk into a room, slow down. Straighten your spine. Enter like you belong there, because you do. And watch how differently the world reacts. Rule number 9. Don't try to compete. Curate. Many women dress based on what others are wearing. What's trending? What will get compliments? Rich women dress for themselves, for their standards, for their lifestyle. They repeat outfits unapologetically. They don't need a new outfit every day. They choose quality over quantity, and they edit ruthlessly. If something doesn't fit their style identity, it's gone. They keep only what adds to their image and remove what distracts from it. That's how they always look put together. Not because they have more, but because they have less that's been carefully chosen. Rule number 10. Don't try to look rich. Become the woman who is. Here's the truth. Elegance is not an outfit. It's not a coat or a purse or a haircut. It's a standard, a lifestyle, a set of choices that honor who you are and who you are becoming. When you carry yourself with dignity, when you speak gently, when you move with control, when you dress like the highest version of yourself, you don't just look expensive. You look unshakable, feminine, radiant. And that's what real richness is. So if you're ready to stop performing wealth and start living with quiet luxury, it starts here, with how you show up, with what you choose to wear, with the way you treat yourself when no one's watching. Let's quickly review the 10 shifts that elevate everything. 1. Skip the logos. Let your fit do the talking. 2. Choose tailored, not tight. 3. Shop with your fingers. Fabric matters more than price. 4. Get your clothes tailored, even the inexpensive ones. 5. One accessory is enough. 6. Build your wardrobe on timeless, not trends. 7. Grooming is non-negotiable. 8. Posture creates presence. 9. Edit your closet with ruthless self-respect. And 10. Embody the woman you want to become every single day. If this video inspired you, subscribe to She Lives Rich for more elegant style tips, soft life living, and the habits of wealthy women. Because elegance isn't about money, it's about mastery. And your transformation starts today.